I'm going to show you what I've been working on for the past, I guess, about a week now. We had a voltage problem with Furious. The starter was turning over real slow. It's a mini starter, and I had just rebuilt it. Pretty sure I had it put back together correctly. But to make sure, we tried a couple different grounds, and that seemed to help it. Whenever we put more grounds on it, it seemed to help it. So we knew we had some kind of voltage drop somewhere. So talking to William Sparrow, he suggested I put dual batteries on it and more ground. So we ended up, this is the battery I've always had, wired to this cutoff switch. You know, hot to the switch and ground to the frame. Installed a second battery, hot to the switch, same side of the switch, and black to the ground. And so she's grounded, each battery's grounded. Then we went up to the front here and put this ground cable in right here. And that's what I was doing the other day. We saw the jumper cables. I was simulating the ground for that. And listen to how she spins over. It's just a mini starter that I took apart and put back together with a new bendix. She spins over good, but listen to this. Ain't that something? That's it right there. So that fixed it. On to something else.